Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Firefly Season 1, the only season. Episode 5. I just watched the episode 4. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye and also the links, to the first videos, to the first reaction videos about this show that you chose on my Patreon for me to react to. You had the choice between Firefly, Death Note and Killing Eve. You chose Firefly, so here we go. But I'm still reacting to Death Note also because you were also a lot to vote for that show, that anime. But because of the fact that I didn't plan to react to two things but only to one, but I still don't want to disappoint you and I'm still intrigued by Death Note and all of that, so I'm gonna watch it at the same time, I'm gonna react to it, you're gonna have the reaction videos, but I can't promise you when I'm gonna post Death Note, I can't promise you which day. That's not gonna be a day in particular, like it's the case for Firefly, like it's the case for Avatar and soon for The Legend of Korra. I can't promise to you on that day you're gonna have Death Note. You have to check the schedules that I post each Monday on YouTube, Patreon and Twitter to know that, But for Firefly, yes, I think that for the next weeks it's gonna be each time on Monday and sometimes also on Monday and Tuesday that you're gonna have the reaction videos about it. About Firefly, I said it during the intro of the last episode. For now, I can't say that I love the show, that I love the characters, but I really like it and I really like some of them. It's really more a vibe, in fact, this show, it's really more a vibe that I'm feeling, I'm enjoying the mix, between Western rules, Western atmosphere, but all of that into a space opera show. It's really working well, they really did that well, and I'm feeling the vibe, I'm appreciating it, but I'm missing, a little more to love this show and a lot more to love some characters. When I'm saying a lot more, it's the fact that I'm missing the characters, talking about their past, their backgrounds, sharing their feelings. We can see their feelings, in a lot of different scenes, moments, we can see their feelings, but I need them to express their feelings, I need them to, I don't know how to say it, to go deeper with them, maybe not with all of them and not at the same time, but little by little, I need more time with one or two of them to develop them, to go with them. For now, for the 3 first episodes, the 2 about Serenity and the third one, I had the impression that we were just on the surface of it, that they were just presenting us the characters and their issues, which is logical because it was 2 pilots, in a way. So that was logical, but during the last episode we stayed also at the surface of it. I mean, we talked a little about Mal, about Inara, also about the Shepherd, but it was stuff that they already said about these characters before. It was things that we already knew about them. Connect with the characters, I need more. Maybe during this episode, we'll see. During the last one, the story of the last one, in fact, was more about the reverse. I'm saying, in fact, because at first you could think that it was about that cargo, what happened to these people, and about that guy, the survivor, what happened to him. But at the end, in fact, the episode was more about the reverse and how they are leaving the cargo, after attacking them. It's more about how they're functioning to attack ships. It's more about that, but in fact they didn't give the solution of it. It's weird, For me, I don't know if they are always attacking like that, but right there they're attacked by taking out the air or by putting a chemical thing into the air to make everyone weaker. That's what the survivor said, you know. So they can attack them, they can kill them, they can torture them. They made one of them look everything, and that person went crazy and become a river in a way. I'm intrigued by the fact that at the end we can't see really the face of the guy. It was really on purpose for me that they didn't show his face so much. It happened really in a 30-second scene, and we saw his face during 4 seconds, and it was dark and he was moving a lot. It was really on purpose that we didn't see his face, and I think that it's because of the fact that the writers are keeping that, you know, are keeping that information about what the rivers look like for later, because they said that that guy, that survivor, was just trying to be a river also. So for me, yes, they are keeping that information, what they look like for the end. So right there we can guess how they attacked that cargo, that ship, but are they attacking always like that? I'm not sure. And like I said during my review of the last episode, I'm still intrigued by how they look like, but also how can they be so organized. I mean, if they are just people eating people, you know, cannibals, how can they be people like that, divided in a lot of different ships and so organized? Because we know, because of Zoe, I think she said it in a different episode, the fact that they are expanded, or at least they are going further each time. Like for me, they are organized, and right there to attack these people like that, it's an organization, you know, between them, between all of these ships, but also how they are attacking. They are not just savages who are attacking to eat people. It's more than that. And even if we had the proof during the last episode that they are attacking, they are killing, they are torturing and all of that, for me there is something missing about them, one information, and I think that this information missing is the real reason for why they are doing all of that. The reasons that they gave, you know, about that story, the fact that they went on a planet and become like that, like, something is missing. And we saw during the last episode that River, you know, Simon's sister, was connected to them in a way, I don't know, like she was hearing ghost screamings, and after that she felt where the survivor, you know, was in which place and all. It's weird. I said what I said, I prefer logical and scientific reasons than supernatural reasons. Into sci-fi shows like that, it's something that I prefer. It doesn't mean that if they are giving me a supernatural reason, I'm not gonna buy it, I'm not gonna like it. No, but I would prefer, you know, if they are giving a logical reason for why she can feel all of that. If it's logical and scientific, maybe it can be because of that thing that they implanted into her head during these experiments and all, or maybe she was there, you know, like she lived that, but she just can't remember it. It was one of her memories that she was hearing. I don't know, and I'm not sure that we're gonna have the response of that during this episode. I'm pretty sure of the contrary. You know, the fact that they made that first season, which was stopped after that, and they made a movie to have the conclusion of the stories and the characters. That's great. I'm already glad that they made a movie to finish it, but it means that during the season they didn't answer to all of that. And I think that her story, all of what happened to her, it's one of the main narrative arc of the show, so I don't think that they prepared a response for that during the first season. So I think that I'm gonna finish the season without really having all of the answers about her, and I'm gonna have them in fact during the movie. Yes, I'm gonna watch it, yes, I'm gonna react to it, no worries. Okay, I'm gonna finish this intro right now and let's go for this episode 5 now. Like usually, I have a Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier during the day, and for for now that's all. I don't think that you can have them earlier, like 1 week earlier or something like that. Not for now, I don't think so. But earlier during the week, and no matter what, with an extended or a full reaction part. Full reaction part, it's when it's big episodes for which I'm reacting a lot, and all I'm putting on the description if I put the full or the extended reaction part, so you can know that, you know, when you're subscribing to my Patreon, you know to which level you have to subscribe. Okay, let's go for this episode 5. Let's go. I hope that I have the time to watch one more episode after this one. Again. Because I have some medical appointments during this week. And I'm not sure that I'm gonna be able to film or to edit. I don't know what is gonna happen, so the more I can film, the more I can edit, the best it is. Be in advance and all to be sure that you're not gonna be impacted and all. Jane?
We have to convert the ship in. 6 in the corner.
What? So it's disappearing?
You made money, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hand over fist, my friend.
It's entertaining, actually.
Yeah? What's entertaining?
I like watching the game.
What things did you think about? I took this right off. They earned that way. Good drink of that one.
Nah! Carefully, Nara. And you were not searching for clients. You were just okay to be entertained by the guys.
I'm gonna stay a while and present you. Yeah.
Ah! Two things. You're going back to Persephone and Shiny. I know with your comments that it's something, you know, that the fans are saying to each other. Shiny, like it's a mojo.
No, we're good.
Mm.
We're good. It's okay.
Oh,
The honor you do me flatters my honor.
hey.
I hope.
It's potential clients.
Atherton, how wonderful to see you.
Did you get my message? I was extra appealing.
What a flattering invitation.
So you'll accompany me. I asked hard in my throat.
It seems like they are all rich, you know. I don't
I'm glad to
understand
say I'll be there.
really a lot about her job.
No, please, I understand.
I mean, the privileges and the things which are doing with it.
He's a rigger, ain't he?
Jealous?
I've seen him before,
Must be rich, to afford your age.
I suppose. He's engaged me for several days.
Days.
Most of the women there will not be companions, if that's what you're asking. Perhaps the other men couldn't attract one.
Attract?
It sounds like
You have to be rich to
It's totally an issue.
have the money to pay for a
you
companion,
would do that.
but there are more clients than companions available, or what I understand.
Too much food for a woman wear a dress. Lots of women are slick.
You want
No.
a slinky dress? I can buy you a slinky
Even
dress.
these dresses, you know,
Slinky dress? I'll ship it.
they look like Western ones.
Nora gets to wear whatever she wants.
What are you gonna do in that rig? Toss it on the engine room? You're like a sheep walking on its hind legs.
Not nice.
Sit on the shoe, Captain.
She matters.
You have the emotional capacity of... you know what I'm referencing to.
Roger. Captain Reynolds.
Hello back.
How'd you some town? Before we might have a bit of sin.
Again?
Then we piss off. Now we're favored guests. Treated to the finest in beverages that make you blind. So what is it you need?
Informations about the brother and the sister. I'm sure that
Don't make me worry, Carol. Got some property wants to sell off planet. That's your high price. You think you're better than other people? Just the ones I'm better than. And
I think so.
very quality is the one you're placing value on today. I place
He
value
knows
on
his
things.
value.
How would you even set up a meet that won't deal with you? No place in me. Safe place.
the bar,
Using some new tech gun skins. High class too.
you're all gonna go?
Invites. You want this meeting or not?
Atherton Wing and Inara Sarah.
Uh-huh. What kind of dance? We're not in a western anymore.
Half the men in this room wish you were on their arm tonight.
Oh my god. I must be losing my undefinable allure.
Nah.
Oh, she blushes. Not many in your line of work do that. You are a very singular woman. I find I admire you more and more.
Ooh, you're a passive-aggressive guy. You're talking bad and after that you're making a compliment.
Katie!
Not speaking to you, Captain.
Nah.
I don't need to speak. Come on, got a job for you.
He bought you the dress, Kelly.
I'm trying to offer you something, you know. A life. If you want it, you can live here on the second as my personal companion.
A generous man.
That is not a yes.
No.
It's not a no either.
You belong here now, not on a flying piece of gossip. You see that, don't you?
Negative language.
This Kate Winnett Lee Fry and escort.
Training?
Oh, sweetheart. You look good also.
Oh, gossip.
Okay, I'm finding our man. Supposed to be older, kind of stocky, wears a mid-stash cross.
I would have loved, you know, to see Wash and Zoe right there.
Exactly.
Don't show with your finger.
What do you feel?
You know, your mother never taught you that. It's not polite.
Yep, gentlemen.
Ah, you're playing?
Tall card.
What?
Plum. I'll take two. Two?
I don't understand your game, but watch the girl. She... What? She's taking off the paper around it. Yes, that's all. She didn't do anything bad, but why did she do that? You're cheating.
I thought you wanted to spend more time off shift this visit.
I like our party better. Dress goes easier and I know all the steps.
Yeah.
A really nice poem at the funeral, something with imagery. Here lies my beloved Zoe, my autumn flower.
You're going too far with that joke. It's making me nervous. For that to really happen, you know, at some point for him to say that poetry to someone at a real funeral.
Little piece of wrapping paper blowing around.
No.
I'm Kaylee. Fanning. I just love this party. Everything's so fancy and there's some kind of hot cheese over there. What they had last year. Standards.
Excuse me?
You want to say to your girl, Sean, your girl, she made you a dress that looks like you bought it in a store. No.
We hate these girls already.
You must have taken a dozen slaves, a dozen days to get you to that job. He tells me it takes the space of a schoolboy's wing to get you out of it again.
Thank you.
Forgive my goodness.
Not at all.
I can't find useless people.
Are you the guy that we're searching for?
But will you be Miss Warharrow?
Sir.
Warharrow.
Okay, you are.
The ship. Name Serenity. I mention this because I've been led to understand you want to move some property off the road.
Don't get distracted.
Whom do you represent?
Represent isn't exactly the
Don't waste my time.
protocol badger.
I think he's a psychotic lowlife.
And I think calling him that is an insult to the psychotic low-life community. But the deal is so.
Atherton, Captain Noah Reynolds.
Pleased to meet you.
Excuse me?
She made a point of your generosity. Given that, I'm sure you won't mind if I ask Honora in the favor of a dance.
Let her go. I really don't like the guy.
You're a brave man.
I know it's not.
She's not yours.
I stopped your contact for a smuggling job and you came over me.
You were staring at me.
I saw you, so
You stand out. Maybe I just want to see professional work.
You're not Paul trying to make me change. Why do you do that?
My work's illegal, but at least it's honest.
What?
That man parading you around in his arms as if he loves you, and everyone here going along with it.
No one is buying it.
Not like that. I like Alberton too, by the way. And he likes me, whether you see it or not.
He likes to have you,
Make me an offer.
not the same.
I'd be his personal companion. I could belong here. Only
You're
protected.
trying to make him jealous.
Got the call to stop you. You got the right to a decent life.